In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently change the currency symbol on your desktop platform's chart. This will allow you to view your financial data in the currency of your choice. This process is relatively straightforward, but taking the time to get familiar with it can greatly enhance your user experience. Let's begin with the first step. Ensure you have your desktop platform open and the chart you wish to modify is visible on your screen. Now, direct your attention to the top of the chart where you'll find a symbol box. This box is a powerful tool that lets you customize the currencies displayed on your chart. It's designed to be easily accessible so you can quickly make changes as needed. Once you've located the symbol box, click on it. This action will prompt an interface where you can enter the desired currency symbol. To proceed, simply type in the new symbol by adding the corresponding currency code. For instance, if you're interested in viewing Bitcoin and Great British Pounds, you would type BTC-GBP. This allows for a precise search, ensuring you're getting the data you're specifically looking for. After typing the symbol and currency code into the search bar, you'll see a list of search results appear. This is where you select the exact currency combination you're interested in. Take a moment to review these results and carefully choose the correct one. Clicking on your desired result will load the chart with the new currency. It's that simple. Remember, this feature is not limited to Bitcoin or Great British Pounds. It supports a wide range of currencies and symbols, providing you the flexibility to tailor your chart to suit any need. Whether you are tracking the euro against the US dollar or any other currency pair, the process remains the same. Click, type, and select. A small tip to further enhance your charting experience is to keep a list of frequently used currency codes handy. This simplifies the process and speeds up the time it takes to adjust your charts, especially if you find yourself regularly changing currencies for different analyses. And there you have it. You've successfully modified your chart to reflect the currency symbol of your choice. This small yet impactful customization can offer a more personalized and relevant look at your financial data. With practice, navigating and updating these settings will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on analyzing data and making informed decisions rather than worrying about the configurations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy charting!